Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stock for ramen easy method. Roast bones and aromatics first, then add cold water to cover. Bring to a slow simmer and reduce heat, keeping just a few bubbles. Skim foam and impurities for the first 30 minutes to keep clarity. Add kombu and dried shiitake near the end to layer umami, then strain, cool quickly, and refrigerate for later use. Start by charring onion halves, smashed ginger, and garlic cloves to add sweet, toasted notes. Toss them into the simmering pot with bones and water early on to deepen flavor. Add kombu and dried shiitake during the last 20 minutes to avoid bitterness while maximizing umami. Season lightly with soy or miso after straining so you can adjust salt without overdoing it. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, makes a fun kitchen companion when waiting on your stock. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick it up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a heavy pot and keep the heat low so the stock simmers quietly, not boils, to stay clear and concentrated. Strain the stock through a fine sieve, pressing gently to recover liquid. Cool the stock rapidly in an ice bath, then transfer to jars or containers and refrigerate. Reheat gently when ready to use and skim fat if desired, reserving some for extra ramen richness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.